Today we're doing something different. We've got Scotty here who just fell over, just about, and we're going to weld on his roof here, or the roof section. This is where he started. He's already tacked it in. We're going to give it a go and see if we can't make it worse than it is. Nah, we're going to make it better. We're going to get it all done, and hopefully by the end of the day, this will look spot on. Nothing like my roof, because as you all know, I've done something completely different. We'll see how this works. So we're making some headway on this, and we've come up with a really good idea of using a brass drift while it gets TIG'd up top, and then my buddy comes along and he's just hammer and dolling it. It's looking really nice, and I'm really happy with this. There's some really nice flat welds through here. A little bit lumpy on the other side, but that's okay. Nothing that a grinder can't fix. This is working well. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you what we're actually doing. So I've just found a spot here that we're going to weld in between all our welds, holding this brass drift. And my buddy's there just going to TIG it up. Ready? We're ready. Go.
And we'll fix the hail dents in the roof later.
This brass drift here is heat soaking. We're using it as a heat soak as well, and it's taking a lot of heat out of that panel. It's just working really well. So as we're getting along this is what she's looking like. That's really nice. You're sweating like a what? No, that's looking great.
Yes, awesome.
That's nice and flat. Will require a little bit of nickies through the roof, but bare minimum. Let me just show you the other side, which was done while I wasn't here. Hello, Paul. Now, if you look along here, this is what was done in a rush while no one was here by the owner. Shut up. And I don't know, no, I've got to show them, man. See this? Yeah, not good. And this is a massive dip. Now I want to cut. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah,
that's horrible.
Yeah, that's horrible.
This is why the owner stopped.
But you know what? You live and learn. And when there's 3 guys here to help you, we can make a much better job. So, as you can see here, I've put a little marker along here with this. I want to cut that all out. I want to do it all again. And if I can get permission off the owner of this car, I want to do that today. He's saying we'll do it another day, but I want to do it today. Anyway,
it's all time related.
If we're videoing, we're not welding. So let's get to it, guys. So I want to show you just on the inside how this is turning out. And it looks like a lot of light, but it's actually not. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. And you can see we've done plenty of stitching here. I mean, the camera does not do it any justice. When did we start doing this, guys?
10 o'clock.
And what's the time now?
12.
So 2 hours worth, and we've done around about 200 welds. Yeah, I'm impressed. Again, I'll just try and show you just how flat these welds are. They're turning out so good. You'd think we were professionals, but well, the other 2 guys are pretty good at what they do, but you've seen my builds. I'm just a backyard bum. Anyway, we have to keep going again. So we're knocking down a few of these welds. Because every time we go to use the hammer and dolly, I'm actually hammering another weld. rag there just to keep some heat out of that panel.
Yeah, there is some of us out here.
Well, if you're putting the dolly under,
The other way around.
yeah.
Not got
Paul,
Trying to
that up.
low spot up.
And you're hitting from this side.
So what do you think? Put
So
pressure
guys-
underneath. It's just
You can't just get the hammer here and here.
No,
no. You just stretch.
What did you say?
no.
See, if it were me, I'd get the hammer here.
And then put
And I'm
Bob
being
in.
top. A lot of welding to go. Anyway, these guys are doing that, and I'll let them do that. So we've been doing some more welding, and we're getting there. What do you reckon, Scottys?
We're getting there slowly.
Getting there. I reckon we're doing all right, eh? It looks good. Real good. All right, let's do some more. All right, looks like we're done welding for the day. This is how this has turned out. It's actually really nice. There'll be a little bit of panel beating to do, and there's also the other side still yet to do. Whole heap of grinding to do, and I'm sure that'll look great. You happy?
I'm happy, mate.
Happy for the day. How long's this taken us? What did we say? 8:30, and what's the time now? 6:30?
Oh, we started about 9.
Well, there you go. You guys can work out how many hours that is, and like I said, we've still got the other side to do. We'll get that done on another day.
Yeah, we just got to fix up the fuck up that Rob put over here.
We just got to fix
Rob's mistake.
the mistake that Scotty made over there. And he put a little bit too much heat into it. It's a really hard thing to do when you're by yourself, you know. We're with a couple of blokes,
Much easier.
much easier. So we're on to day 2 of this, and we're slowly working our way around the other side. We didn't end up cutting any of this, all this. We ended up panel beating it out. So we're pretty happy with that, and we're making some very speedy, what's the word? We're making haste today.
Progress.
Progress is very good today. I reckon we'll have this done in a few hours. This is the buddy that gave me a couple of things, and you know, we talk on the phone and throw ideas at each other. His is really nice. Mine's. Hello, puppy. Puppy, Chevy. Hey. You know, it's been a painful couple of hours. We've only got one more to go. Let's do this, Scotty.
Right, Rob. I'm ready.
Go.
So we're done.
Well, that's crazy. My back's killing me from being in there, but I'm so happy we got that done. We've got a whole heap of grinding to do. That looks sweet. Got to be
Awesome
happy
job,
with that,
guys.
Scott.
Awesome job, guys. Thank you very much.
All right, turn that off, because we're going to do some grinding. Shut it down, shut it down. So this is where we're at, and we've just got to do a whole heap of grinding. Scotty's going to get into that. I'm going to have a break. But I want to show you the other side that we did the other day. Look at that. So while I wasn't here, Scotty's gone and what is it? Ground it all down and
I did a bit of panel beating.
did a bit of panel beating, yeah.
Not bad for a
That-
7%.
We're just backyard bums, man. And this looks great.
First time I've ever done.
Makes my car look like a real pile of shit. That's right, it is a pile of shit.
It's supposed to be a pile of shit.
And this is where we're at after half an hour of grinding. There was a couple little pinholes that we fixed as well. That was looking so nice. Paul, do you think I should do this to my car as well?
I think it's a bit late for your car.
Jeez. There's a whole heap of positive attitude going on around here, isn't there? That's really good, man. Scotty's going to have to do some panel beating because it's a little bit lumpy through some spots, but nothing he can't fix. Anyway, that's a wrap for this video. See ya!